So Johnny and I left the school after robotics, and we were headed to the new Cary Library over on Kildare Farm Road to kill some time and let him do his homework before we met with the group of people going to Greece. Johnny's going to Greece with over spring break. So anyway, we had a meeting tonight. And I was going to get off at exit 291 in Cary, which is the exit for Cary Town Center Mall. And I was just following the Google Maps direction. I was out on I-40. I was going 65 mile an hour. I was in the van. And there was debris in the middle of the road and people on both sides. So I really wasn't nothing I could do. Like, it was just there. So I ran over the debris and kept control of the car and prayed things were okay, but it did not sound good. And I was taking the next exit anyway, so I signaled to move over a lane, and by that time we could hear a bad noise, me and Johnny. Mom, that doesn't sound good. I agreed with him. So we got, over quickly, and yeah, sure enough, I cut the left rear tire when I ran over that debris, and I think it was a construction barricade, one of those ones with the aluminum frame, because I saw the orange, like, warning reflective material or whatever. And anyway, I got out and I see, yeah, it's flat, but we really weren't in a safe spot. We were on the inside curve of the 291 exit ramp. So I got back in the car and I'm pretty upset. A half an hour's passed now, so I'm doing a little better. And I made the decision to move the car over to the left side of the on-ramp off the road better, because I knew we were going to be here for quite some time and it just wasn't safe where we were. So I got us moved over. Meanwhile, Johnny was calling Dawn. It's not a good sign when you get on the phone with your wife and she's basically in tears and having trouble telling you what's wrong. But I did manage to tell him that we were not injured, but had a flat tire and that we were in a safe location. And he's on his way. Meanwhile, Johnny, super helpful kid. I mean, just a super helpful kid all the time. You guys know that. Always there for his mama. There's the tire. Yep. And we were basically in that corner over there where it wasn't safe at all. Like I said, I know not to drive on a flat tire, but what choice did I have but to get us out of the way from over there? Johnny Googled a YouTube video because we did not know if the car had a spare tire or where it was. And Johnny came back here. You want to tell him, Johnny?
So it's tutorial time.
Talk loud.
All right, so for the Odyssey, this panel is supposed to be right here.
Yep.
And we didn't know this was here. We had to Google it.
Yep. Johnny got a YouTube video and found out how.
So you pop this off. It's usually right there, and then there's a little handle thing. You pull it. It sounds like it's breaking. It's not.
Yeah.
And here's a spare. And then if you need the jack's right under it.
There's another little cover, a second cover that he popped off.
That goes right here.
Yeah.
Oh, here's our tire wrench.
Yeah, so all the stuff was right there. Johnny did really good helping his mom stay calm and not too panicked. And we're monitoring Don now on Google location services, and he should be here in a few minutes. Yeah, my dad never made me change a tire, and I'm not starting today, I guess. So I think we're going to call her... lucky that I wasn't driving Ruby, because Ruby's lower to the ground, and that would have been another flat tire in Ruby, which she doesn't have a donut, and it just seems like it would have been more complicated. And then, of course, I don't think there's any other van damage on the van because it sits up pretty high, but I don't know that for sure yet. We keep our fingers crossed it's just the tire. And, watch tomorrow's video for an update. I'm sure, like I said, Don will be here and get the tire changed shortly.